Hey guys, welcome to Trade Confident. Solana, it's at a descending resistance. This is the time where you guys need to be watching this coin very closely. It's got a very strong structure support. We are in a very strong pressure point. This is either going to blast up here. I'll give you guys targets of why I think we could hit around $120, or we might be seeing a move back down. Okay, we'll go over the technical analysis, and then we're going to jump over to tradeconfident.io. We're going to look at the charts for Solana. We're going to take a look at the emotional index today, the long versus short trades. We're going to look at the market cap strength, trades in favor if you guys are taking a trade today, well in institutional smart money, support and resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and we're going to end the day looking at a trade setup that you guys can get into. Why do you guys want to follow this channel? Why do you want to follow the trade setups? Well, guys, let me get that out of the way. We're currently sitting at 122 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade ever with our strategy. Not a single member who's ever joined us has lost. So I'll show you guys how to join our Telegram, how to take advantage of all that in the second half of the video. But the first half, I want to give you guys the analysis. So let's dive on in. Solana, looking at the trend dashboard, this is going to tell us what retail traders are waking up to this morning. Our majority of the indicators they use, bullish or bearish. Majority are bearish right now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 red, bearish signs, and 2 bullish signs. The price is below the 50, 100, and 200 moving average. I am looking for retail traders this morning to look to short this area right here, or looking for sells because they don't think it's going to go up too much further. But I want to show you guys something here. Come over here. We're going to take a rectangle. We're going to look at this. Basically, it's called a structure support on the chart. What we're forming right now is what's called a pressure point. We've got support that the price does not want to break. And then we've got a descending resistance here that the price is respected on the way down. This is creating what's called a pressure point right here, which usually this formation of a descending triangle pattern will blast off to the upside a lot, okay? My target for this, a realistic target, not unrealistic, a realistic target, guys, is looking at a 50% Fibonacci retracement on the trend. This happened over here as well. We saw the high. We saw the low, and right at 50% retracement, we saw the move back down, but we saw a pretty fast move up there. So as far as Solana moving back up, I think we're going to get to about 120, and then we're going to possibly see a move back down. But the next pump phase for Solana, I am looking for a target of $120. How can we predict these moves before they happen and when they're going to drop? That's what we use these indicators for down here. So watch this. The price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion. This is going to show you guys what's happening with literally the flow of money on the exchange that you load this on for Binance and Solana. When you guys see the flow of money being high up here, this means whales have bought into the price and they're looking to sell. I'm telling you guys, not all whales just hold their positions forever. When this money is starting to acquire, long trades are in the market, they're buying, they do eventually sell, which selling will drop the price back down. Here's how you guys use this. When trend exhaustion is in the top red section, and well money flow is high, this is a precursor to drops back down in the market. That's how you use this, guys. And this is how we've used it on our strategy, and we've never lost a trade. Looking at this, trend exhaustion high, well money flow saw a huge spike up here. People thinking that we were going to break this descending channel right here. Did not happen. Why? These two indicators were predicting this drop was going to happen here and not move back up. Alternatively, you guys who are getting in here and using our scalping strategy, which I'll share with you in the second half of the video, which you guys have never lost, by the way, it's pretty amazing. When this is down to the bottom red section and the well money flow is also seen to move down, we're looking for pumps back up. Okay. Right now, bringing this to the forefront, I am looking for this. We're sitting in this type of neutral section here, which makes sense. We're not super high. We're not very low. So what you need to be watching for right now is this pressure point to break to the upside. And then the moment it breaks to the upside, you guys need to be watching this. If trend exhaustion is in the top red section right here, and well money flow is high and it's pushed up here, you guys need to watch for that drop back down. If you're in the profit, that's a great place to look to take profit if you guys would like on all the trades that you're in. I'll show you guys how to get to a trade setup in this video so you guys can copy it because we've never lost, but just want to let you guys know that. If this does for some reason head back down to the structure support here, and this comes down to the bottom red section, this is not a bad place to look to scalp the market and get into a trade so you guys can take advantage of that entry there. And I'll show you guys how to get into the scalping trade as well in this video. Okay, let's go over into the metrics right now. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is just in 40 minutes. The emotional index is neutral. Like I said, guys, when the market's really greedy and when it's excited, this is where the market's going to be heading back down. Okay? When the market is fearful and it's anxious, this is where we're looking for moves back up. It is absolutely a manipulation game, guys, that the big boys play against the retail trader emotions. Let's move down here. Long and short trades. It's interesting here because we see it's hardly a lot of action. A lot of action took place over here. I'm waiting for this type of momentum to move back into Solana. But you can see here that short trades have been increasing the last couple of days and long trades staying the same, if not arguably moving down here a little bit. Okay. This does show that we are having some bearish pressure in the market. So this may actually, there's a chance that it could hit structure support and then it could go down a little bit further. Where am I expecting it to bounce from? Right down here at this support. So if we do head down, I'm looking at $87 to be the next bounce zone. But I think this has a higher chance of moving up. Okay, watch this down here. The market cap strength. Now, just because the market cap is moving out for Solana doesn't necessarily mean that it's bad. Okay. What you don't want to see is price action in white making higher highs and higher lows, and the actual green line here, the market cap moving down. That's a sign that the market is most likely going to see a drop back down, and we have seen this on Bitcoin, and we have been able to spy on the whales, guys, with these metrics. I'll give you a sneak peek real quick. If you guys look at the Bitcoin charts here and you look at this, when you guys see retail traders coming in and they're buying this up like crazy because price structure is going up, and you look down here, this is showing you guys hundreds of millions of dollars are heading out of Bitcoin while the price is going up, abandoning retail traders, and the whales are going to get what they want. It happened over here as well. Price action started heading up here. Hundreds of millions headed out of the market cap for Bitcoin, and it dropped the price. Okay? Price is dropping here. Hundreds of millions heading back into the market cap, and it's jumping the price. So because the green line is going down on Solana right now, that doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. It actually still means it's healthy. We just don't want the opposite of the price going up and market cap screaming down, because that's not a healthy sign. Overall, when this is actually moving down, I think it's a great place to get into a long trade, and I'll show you guys how to do that today. Trades in favor. Look at this, guys, sitting into a good long trade area. When it's getting down to a good long trades, guys, it's better to take long trades than it is short trades. Down here into a good long trade area, everybody who takes trades down here, the favor that you guys will receive on your trade is going to be substantially higher than if you're trying to get into the market over here and trade this up. A lot of people I know tried to go long right here because they were like, okay, we're finally breaking out. But look at the metric. It said this was a good short trade area to go down, and then we end up seeing the drop. Look at over here, pushed into the good short trade area, seeing the drop back down. I got off a coaching call and I got $9,000 just using our indicators, and I'll show you guys later the testimonials. It's insane. Well, institutional smart money here, we're looking at the price of Solana. Yes, it's heading down, but we're seeing the acquisition of long trades over here. Guys, they're buying the dip. They did this over here and the price went up. So I know a lot of people are looking at this and we're like, man, we're just going to go down forever. No, we're not going down forever, guys. As price structure moves down here, look at what the metrics are showing you. This is an acquisition of long trades during the dip, and then we're seeing the pumps back up. The strongest amount of short trades coming out here for Solana was right here. There's no way this price is going to keep going up when this amount of strong aggressive purchases are being made by whales and institutions and smart money. When it's this aggressive, the price is going to see a move back down. And you can see over here how this has predicted this in the past. When these start getting really long in here, the price is moving up, short trades coming out. This is where the price is going to be moving back down. An incredible metric so you guys can stay on the right side of the market and make some good money with this to predict what they're doing. You can trade with them now, okay? Support and resistance prices. The next resistance everyone can write down is 110, and then we're looking at 94. Yes, I do believe 110 can be broken on this because 110 is just structure high. The Fibonacci retracement is at 120. Just so you guys know, my next target for the next bull run is 120 here, okay? Let's do this, and we'll get you guys into a trade setup. Dollar cost average entry, an amazing signal went off just the other day telling us, hey, if you guys have $10,000, want to throw $1,000 into the market at each of the green lines, not a bad place to do this, guys. You guys are getting in here at the bottom. I do believe this is some of the greatest times to be buying crypto, and I came out with a video 2 days ago saying people who buy in April are possibly going to be the millionaires of next year because so many cryptos are so low right now. All right. Speaking of that, let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup. I want to keep this private for our members, but let me show you guys how to trade this. And this is literally how we have won 122 trades in a row. I'll show this to you guys on Bitcoin, but follow along with the principle I'm about to teach you right now. Okay. Here's what you guys are going to do. Go on the Solana chart, scroll down to the bottom as you guys saw. You're going to see 4 yellow buy limits on Solana. Again, guys, just making reference, all of the wins, every single one of them, we trade exactly like this and we've never lost a trade. On Solana, you're going to see 4 yellow buy limits. You're going to take the amount that you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions. So that would be 250 and place it at each yellow line. This cannot get any simpler, guys. 250 here, 250 here, 250 there, and 250 there. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set a sell limit up in green for 100% exit in your exchange. For Bitcoin, it's 59,990. For Solana, you guys will see that price there. Now, once you're in the trade, I'm going to be calling out exits for everybody and watching the charts for you guys of the best places to exit. And I'll be doing this with the indicators, okay? Follow me in Telegram once you guys have your membership, and you guys will be able to see how I do this. This is literally how we have not lost a trade yet. So what I'm going to do, guys, is transition you guys into the last part of the video where I've basically recorded it. All you guys who are new, you will see exactly how to get into our membership, get our indicators on sale. But I want to leave you guys with that. I do believe we're going to start seeing a little bit of a bullish move up here in Solana. So get ready, set the trade setup. Set up the trade setup for Solana, guys, for going long. Use the risk management, snag those indicators, and watch what I'm going to show you guys next in this video. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. It literally means the world to me. If you liked anything in this video, feel free to subscribe, and I'll definitely keep coming out with this content. All right, getting you guys into our trading strategy, our indicator sell, everything you need to trade with us. Here's how you do this. Below all of our videos, including this one, you'll see a description section. You want to click this link right here. It says Access Trade Setups, Metrics, Masterclasses, and Telegram. And then underneath that, we have the bundle pack sale that's going on. I also pinned these to the first comment of the YouTube video, so you guys can click this. Click on this. It will take you guys over to our website. Guys, everything is kept transparent and open. Our win rate is right here, and you come straight down, and our membership is just $95 a month. All the metrics that you guys get to literally spy on the whales, see what the whales and institutions are doing, trade with them. You guys can see that on all of the 14 coins that we have over here. You guys also get access into the Telegram channel where I'm calling all of the entries and every single one of the exits for you for our win rate that has never lost. You guys get all of that. You are also going to get the master classes that I've literally taught multi-million-dollar hedge funds as well as billion-dollar hedge funds how to trade the markets. And you guys can get that in the master classes. And then possibly one of the coolest features we actually added for everyone was a community chat. And you guys can click that up here where we're all just chatting together, looking for trade setups, talking to each other, encouraging one another, sharing profits. It's super, super fun. And then on top of that, every single month, I go live with our whole family, all of our members, in a Zoom call. I go over, teach you guys something in the beginning, and then I open it up for a Q&A session so you guys can ask me things you're seeing in the market so you can consistently get good education and learn how to trade the strategy better, okay? That's the membership. Let me show you guys the indicators, and then I'll show you guys how to get the tutorial videos to trade our strategy, and then we'll end this, okay? The indicators are simple, guys. We've got a bundle pack sale going on right now. It's 82% off. You guys want to snag this. The 3 indicators we use every single day on our charts and what our traders use is the price versus money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. If you use coupon code SAVEMONEY, you'll get 40% off these 3. And then if you use Save Money again, you'll get 60% off the other 6. But the best thing to do today is to actually get the bundle pack because it's better than both those deals together. You're actually getting 82% off all of our indicators. And this is a one-time purchase, and you get our indicators and the source code to the indicators for life. So nobody can take them away from you guys. These are 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before. This is what we jokingly call the jackpot indicator. So guys, please use it cautiously, and please watch the videos to each of our indicators, but the bundle pack is the best deal. These indicators are helping us call pumps before they happen and drops before they happen, which is resulting in profits for a lot of our members. I'll show that to you guys really quick, and I'll show you guys how to get into our trade setups. Our traders, this is just some examples, $2,777 on EOS with our 3 indicators: trend exhaustion, price to swell, money flow, and the trend dashboard. Okay, this guy's over here is like, I've won 4 trades. I've won 4 long trades in the last 2 weeks, up 4% on each. Awesome. This guy down here, $485 yesterday, another $661. And then you guys want to see something that's kind of crazy? This guy down over here literally does $23,000 in a week using the trend exhaustion and the price to swell money flow indicators. Okay, this guy down over here does $6,310 with the indicators in our strategy. Then a guy down here goes over and does $3,500 the week of using the indicators and the metrics when he got them. And then this guy over here does $43,000 in 4 days with the trend exhaustion and the price risk well money flow. Guys, seriously, the bundle pack of indicators, you want to snag that as well as the membership. You will have everything you need to trade crypto successfully. All right, the strategy to trade this, go to any of the charts, the coins on the front page, any of them, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here you guys go. Here's the full strategy right here of how to trade exactly like we trade, and we've never lost a trade trading this way. If you want something a little more fast and fun, which honestly, guys, has actually never lost a trade either, and I'm keeping track of this, is the masterclass for how to scalp. So go to the masterclasses, scroll down here, and watch Masterclass 7, how to scalp with our indicators and metrics. This is a faster paced scalping strategy, and literally, it has never taken a loss yet. The membership is all yours, guys. The indicators are all yours. Everything is on sale. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Get the membership as well as the indicators in the description. I pinned it to the first comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.